guys? Oh, my phone turned off. How you doing, guys? We're here today. We're gonna react to How to Basics video, How to Perfectly Butter Toast. So let's do it. Ready? Oh, yeah, where's my phone? Okay. So he warmed up the knife. Oh my gosh! That sounds like a fart noise. It sounds like chickens dying. Seriously. Seriously. Did he really eat it? Oh my god! Slap. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! And that's how you perfectly butter toast. Thanks for watching. Leave a like if you want me to react to another video, and I'll see you next time. Bye!